Away they go. Dugus Pride from the outside, rushing up. Tricky Charlotte, bring it on. Down on the inside, Chase Charlie, rushing up. Red Lotus, Len, touch of gold. Apo Bell, also rushing up. Lord of the Sun. And Ang Sabi Ko is the early trailer. Bring it on. From the outside is Tricky Charlie. Chase Charlie on the outside. Dugus Pride. Louis Star, Red Lotus is running by. The touch of gold, Lord of the Sun, Apo Bell, Len, while Ang Sabi Ko is running at the tail of the field. Chase Charlie, Dugus Pride, Louis Star from the outside. And down on the inside is Tricky Charlie. Rushing up is Dugus Pride. It's still Chase Charlie, Louis Star, Dugus Pride. Touch of gold, Apo Bell also moving up, and Red Lotus alongside, rushing up by Daryl Len, alongside Lord of the Sun. Rounding the far turn, it's Louis Star, and Apo Bell down on the inside, in the middle, Dugus Pride, Chase Charlie, Red Lotus, as they race the last 450. 9A, Louis Star, Apo Bell is running by the Red Lotus in the middle as they race the final corner. Louis Star, Apo Bell at the center. Red Lotus down on the inside. Dugus Pride, Apo Bell is now the leader. Louis Star is on the outside fighting back, but Apo Bell this time by a length and up. Louis Star on the outside, and finally it's going to be close. Louis Star, Apo Bell, Red Lotus, Dugus Pride, Len, Chase Charlie, Tricky Charlie's Ang Sabi Ko, Touch of Gold. Bring it on, Lord of the Sun.